Yo, welcome to the last run of this car. After this car will be a basher. It's the last run, speed run with this combo Monster Mamba X8S with a 1717 1650 kV. Last run I did 228 kilometers an hour, 143 miles an hour. Now we're going to break the 230 kilometers an hour line and try to get a 145 miles an hour. I hope I will succeed. If I don't succeed, this will be the last run, so enjoy. Turn on the GPS, start. This is it. Yeah, so okay, let's go. Wasn't a perfect run. Went a bit to the side. We saw some fires, I think from the titanium. Car still running straight. So let's see. Aww. Oh wait, what's the other side? Okay, still looking good. I will immediately get off. Take off the body before for cooling off the car. Ooh, smells like something was hotter than before. Oh, I taped it up. Okay, let's see. Oh. Engine hot. Well, yeah, definitely was hotter. Okay, let's check the GPS. Was a little bit distracted by the guys on the bicycle. Let's see. Read 221. Okay, 221. Okay, let's check the logs. Okay, see you soon. Yo, so last run. I did one last adjustment. So this is the real final run of this car. Let's see what happens. Turn on the GPS. Track, start. It's the car. Okay, let's go. A little bit of traffic. Hoort erbij! So, this was a crash. Well, this is a nice end for this car. I went over the car and the damage is, well, yeah, not really big. I don't know why these broke off, but the shocks seem good. Yeah, I think you heard it on the video. Yeah, one of the tires blew. I did 198 kilometers an hour, so that was about, what is it, 125 miles an hour. Yeah, car is certainly not totaled. Chassis seems straight. The electronics are good. Still got my GPS. Wires are good, lipos are good. And yeah, I had a lot of fun with this car. I had a lot of fun with this car. Well, I still can use the body, so these Delta plastic bodies are quite good. Yeah. It was a really big crash. So, okay, that was it for this car. I will be back in a few weeks, show you my new build. Yeah, I'm gonna use this road to test my new car, but definitely will not break records here. But it's yeah, the car will be running on foams, so that will not be a problem. Yeah, and this will be the full Vidavan basher to smoke up all my speedrun tires that I cannot use anymore. And it will get a body of Belgian RC airbrush artist co-paints, and it will be 765. It will be a really nice body, and I think I will use this as my test body for my new car. So this was it. See you next time. See you in a few weeks. Bye bye.